Thinking about starting your own business, but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? You're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle to find the right idea that not only excites them, but also has the potential to be profitable. Starting a dream business in 2025 can be a thrilling venture, with countless opportunities to turn your passions into a successful career. Choosing the right idea is crucial, as it can make all the difference between achieving profitability and personal fulfillment. The key to success lies in selecting an idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and values, while also meeting the demands of the market. This balance is essential for creating a business that not only generates revenue, but also brings you a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Many people dream of becoming their own bosses, but the process of getting started can be daunting. As you begin your entrepreneurial journey, it's essential to consider what drives you and what problems you want to solve. Identifying your motivations and passions will help you narrow down business ideas that have the potential to bring you both financial success and personal fulfillment. Your dream business should be something that excites and motivates you, making the hard work and dedication required to succeed more manageable and enjoyable. The world of entrepreneurship is full of possibilities, and with the right mindset and idea, you can turn your vision into a reality. Starting a business in 2025 can be a life-changing experience, offering the opportunity to pursue your dreams, create something from scratch, and make a meaningful impact on the lives of others. People often fear that the market is saturated, that they don't have the necessary financial resources, or that they lack the knowledge and experience to succeed. These fears can hold you back from pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams, making it difficult to take the first step towards turning your idea into a reality. Fear of failure is a common obstacle, but it's essential to remember that every successful entrepreneur has experienced setbacks and learned from their mistakes. Fear of the unknown can be paralyzing, making it challenging to take the leap and start your business. However, with careful planning, research, and a willingness to learn, you can overcome these fears and create a successful business. Lack of financial resources is another significant hurdle, but there are ways to bootstrap your business or seek funding from investors. Many potential entrepreneurs are hesitant to quit their day jobs, fearing the uncertainty of their new venture. This fear is understandable, but it's essential to remember that playing it safe often means missing out on opportunities for growth and success. The risk of failure is always present, but it's also a chance to learn and improve. Starting a business requires a significant amount of time and effort, and it can be challenging to balance this with other responsibilities. However, with dedication and perseverance, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve your goals. It's also common to fear that you don't have the necessary skills or knowledge to succeed, but this can be overcome through learning and seeking guidance from mentors. You can seek guidance from mentors, take online courses, or attend workshops to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Building a support network of fellow entrepreneurs and mentors can provide valuable advice and encouragement. Surrounding yourself with positive and like-minded people can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Every successful entrepreneur has experienced setbacks and failures, but it's how they respond to these challenges that matters. By adopting a growth mindset and being open to learning from your mistakes, you can overcome obstacles and achieve success. It's essential to stay positive and focused on your vision, even when faced with adversity. One of the most significant advantages of starting a business in 2025 is the access to vast amounts of information and resources. With the internet at your fingertips, you can learn about different business models, marketing strategies, and industry trends, making it easier to make informed decisions. You can also leverage social media platforms to reach your target audience, build your brand, and promote your products or services. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for entrepreneurs to innovate and thrive. There are many profitable business ideas to consider, such as starting a sustainable products e-commerce store, offering digital marketing services, creating an online course or coaching business, or launching a mobile app development company. Each of these ideas has the potential to be highly profitable, but it's essential to choose the one that aligns with your passions and skills. Starting a sustainable products e-commerce store can be a great way to capitalize on the growing demand for eco-friendly products. With the rise of consumer awareness about environmental issues, this market is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Digital marketing services are in high demand as businesses look for ways to reach their target audience and build their online presence. By offering services such as social media management, content creation, and SEO, you can help businesses achieve their marketing goals. Creating an online course or coaching business can be a lucrative venture, especially if you have expertise in a particular area. With the rise of online learning, you can reach a wide audience and share your knowledge with others. Launching a mobile app development company can be a highly profitable business idea, as the demand for mobile apps continues to grow. By creating apps that solve real-world problems or meet specific needs, you can generate significant revenue. These business ideas offer a great starting point for entrepreneurs looking to turn their passions into a successful career. Each idea has its unique benefits and challenges, but with careful planning and execution, you can achieve success. For example, Sarah started a sustainable products e-commerce store and was able to generate $100,000 in revenue within the first year. She achieved this by creating a strong brand, building a loyal customer base, and offering high-quality products that met the growing demand for eco-friendly goods. By following in Sarah's footsteps and choosing a business idea that aligns with your passions and skills, you can achieve similar success. It's essential to stay focused on your goals, work hard, and be willing to learn and adapt to changes in the market. In conclusion, starting a dream business in 2025 can be a thrilling venture, with countless opportunities to turn your passions into a successful career. The 4 business ideas presented offer a great starting point for entrepreneurs looking to achieve profitability and personal fulfillment. These ideas are viable options for those looking to start a business, and by choosing the one that aligns with your passions and skills, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to stay focused on your goals, work hard, and be willing to learn and adapt to changes in the market. By taking the first step towards turning your idea into a reality, you can start building the business of your dreams. Don't be afraid to take the leap and pursue your entrepreneurial vision. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve great things. Let me know in the comments which business idea resonates with you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and future videos.